This is Code.org, and here we are. All right, get your groove on. Create a dance of your own to share with your friends. Awesome. Okay, oh wow, there's a lot of new blocks. Okay, I'm going to drag this out. So actually, maybe I should have, and now set background effect to neon colors. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Now, I also want to use some events. So what have we learned? When up is pressed, sure, I'll use an up event. And let's see here. Make 6 dogs random. Ooh, we can randomize that. And then let's go ahead and do a repeat. So every 4 measures, I'm going to change that to 2 just because why not? And then randomize all size. That sounds awesome. Every 2 measures, that's going to look crazy. And then, let's see what else. When the base peaks, I haven't seen that before. Cool. Okay, when the base peaks, I'm going to have, let's do a move. I'm going to have all aliens clap that way. This is awesome. I'm going to do one more instead of just up. Let's go ahead and have right. And let me do the world. I really like doing some of these. Set foreground, change you. Ooh, set background color too. I'm going to get rid of this because I think I just saw a random color. That is awesome. And random when I hit ups, dogs. Cool. I want to hit reset and run. There they all are. Let's go ahead and I'm going to hit up. Ooh, you see their size change? Up. And up. And let's see. Left, right. Oh, I love that. And when the base, this is craziness. I'm loving this. I wonder if we could even. Looks like that's gonna stay. I love this. And so, show my code. You can look at how it would look in the fancy way. This is JavaScript. And you can also let your friends check yours out. Have fun with this. Of course, you can also change up the song as well. Be proud of what you did. You can hit share. And once you hit share, you just want to click publish, and you can give people this link. Onward. Okay, now onward.